Thought y'all was going to the stage to get that Zan money. Niggas don't want that Zan money no more. Yeah. I'm helping you. Make sure you come over. Ah!
Good shit, good shit.
Why is that nigga in the corner, folk? Yeah, you better stay right there then. Help him. Don't let him shoot that little peek. There it is. You gotta be up on his grill, his chest. He gonna hit that shit every time. I think he plugged up. Ooh, big boy boards. Hold on, hold on. Shit. Ah, kick out. Free three. Need it. Yeah. He cherry picking in the corner over there. Alright, he gonna help you over there now. Jump, jump. Ah. Now once again, I told him, jump once you see the D book. The Devin Booker move right here, you're supposed to jump. Like right, he was supposed to bend jump. It's just like whack-a-mole. I tell people this all the time. He's like, oh man, I can't get a good contest. It's like, no, even if you have a build that's not the best lockdown build, you can get a good contest and jump exactly in that window. Locks just have better perimeter, better reach and stuff that help you get a better contest easier, but you can still do with this build. You see he auto contests, his feet is flat on the ground. He's not doing it there, but you're gonna see later in this video, he actually does it and realizes it when he starts playing better D. Please learn from this video. Drop a like.
Looking at this amount of lockdown, I'm not gonna get good contests on him.
No, as soon as he do the D book, just jump. I'm telling you, it's like a timing thing.
I can pop.
Yeah, I can see it. Oh, damn. I think he could shoot too. He just had to pull him. He gonna get ready to shoot. Look, see how he's scared now? If you jump in the window, he gonna be scared. There you go, unit 2. There you go. Yeah. That's where you want him. Look at the difference. Hell no. Big boy wars. Ah! No! There we go. All the way.
Go down, go down, go down.
Even if he plugged, you just gotta jump in the window. Here it comes. Yeah, he missed. There you go. Yeah! Again, when you see he does that super speed boost, I don't know what to call that move, but hey, just call it the super speed boost. They want to get to like the elbow of the 3-point line and shoot a tough, like tight peak. It's like if you're not there, they can just shoot it real quick, and it's like supposed to be like a demon shot or a super elite shot right here. He was still actually open, but what people don't realize is that he threw him off by actually going to jump contest. So he actually missed his timing. He let it go early because he's actually jumping at him. This is why I tell people jump. You jump, it actually gives him more suspense to actually miss. Can get it safe.
Yo, come on. My bad, bro. Nigga, I was getting my dick stuck. You shot it, baby. That nigga about to do it.
Sit your ass up, you plug, nigga. Oh, give me that joker. He said he was getting his wood sucked. Reset, reset, reset. So what? You can miss with a Zen, nigga. I know how the device works, nigga. I'm not stupid.
I got him.
You gotta be open, and I'm in the window helping my teammate. Knock down, knock down. Yes, sir.
Yo, big man, you gotta get rebound.
Corner, he cherry picking. Let me play the little peek. Fuck it. Help him. Don't let him shoot that peek. There it is. Ah! I'm telling you, bro, it's just like a pattern, bro. It's the same shit every time. There it is. Come on. Let me get up here. Get that corner. Get that corner. Other lockdown. The other big man. Lock that corner. Show you how you play it. Yup. Yup. Yup, there it is. Now, even looking at this play right here, he was still open. But like I said, actually running at him, jumping, it creates a suspense naturally, psychology-wise in his brain. And you can speed him up. Slightly rushed. That means we're speeding him up. Come on. We good. Stay out there. He's scared now. He's scared. He missed one. There you go. Play him high. Just play him high. Good D. There it is. I told you gotta jump on that bitch. Good shit. Good shit. This part of the video should be foolproof for you guys that when I say jump, like it's whack-a-mole, you jump. Look at this. He jumps literally right in the window. This is a computer generated thing. Even if somebody is plugged and you get the jump before they get to the plug working, if you look at it like it's like a race, you get there before he can get to his plug automatic. Once he hits that, you know, point, he gets the green, you can get a contest like this. I tell people it all the time. You hear the hypeness in me because I told him this earlier. He was doubting himself, like he couldn't get a contest. And if a guard practiced on doing this and being quick like whack-a-mole, bro, this is what happens. Especially when he slightly rushes it. He maybe could hit it, but he can't slightly rush it. This is why speeding him up is very, very important. Making him get out that groove, because it's really about them being in that groove, getting that wide open space and shooting those wide open shots, whether they're plugged or not. I don't know. It's hard for me to know now. You know what I mean? He red played it up. Good shit. No, it's not, nigga. You could jump in the window, nigga. Shut your ass up. Unplug that Zen, nigga.
Go for the rebound. Go for the rebound.
Unplug that Zen. Unplug that Zen. Ah! All right, come on. We just got to keep scoring. They scared now.
What's up? Come on, easy win. Oh God, it's an easy win.
Easy win. All right.
Yes, come on, let's go.
No threes. He going. He thirsty. Get that corner. He thirsty for it.
I gotta take over. It's over.
Okay, bet. Stay back. Ooh, fuck yeah. You got to guard it higher now. Ah, shit. You got to take. Shut your ass up. Now you shoot the halfies.
Oh God, one stop.
Now right here, this is just really hard to guard, but you have to be on it. He has to be playing high, not low to the screen, because he's just going to come up and shoot the half court. He even caught out he has takeover. This is so the guard has to be pressing him full court. This is why I say sometimes full court presses is needed, because you see what he did. He got himself in a pattern and set himself up in a groove to go take that half court shot. It wasn't just like something natural or unique looking. You see what I'm saying? It's the same pattern that most of the comp sweats do.
You the best lock I know. Come on.
Oh, he the best lock you know, huh?
He's
the best lock you know.
Yes.
Oh!
God, he told you.
All ball. Don't worry about it. We good.
Yo, I'm done. BD, I'm not playing with you.
Why you stressing, bro? Relax.
You done.
Relax, bro. You plugged up and you stressing like that?
Come on.
Let me get you one.
Come on. He sold it. Nigga was open in the corner. I jumped. He missed. Oh God, he missed.
Put it up.
Oh,
It's not. Oh!
Yeah.
Damn,
Foul.
I'm trying to hit y'all niggas on the pound.
We good. You gotta play him high.
Yeah, I'm playing them high.
Oh, that's
I'm on my
good.
lockdown, bro.
Yeah.
Shut the fuck up, bitch. Shut the fuck up, bitch. Shut the fuck up, bitch. Fuck is you talking about, pussy?
No shit, bro.
Fuck, nigga.
Here, I'll shoot.
Fucking bum.
Ah, it's not a three.
Fucking bum.
Don't worry, I got two-way. Hold on. Play D. We gotta get something crazy.
God, let them double me.
Try to bump him. Oh, I'm there. Get the board, big man.
Yeah.
Woo! Come on, we need a big three.
Yeah, now you sitting.
Come on.
Listen.
I'm telling y'all, do this shit. Come on.
No, box out, lock, bro. You swear you the best.
Pop for him.
Box it out,
Yeah,
bro.
bro.
You gotta pop for him, bro. You can't just be bundled up.
Look. Damn. What the fuck?
Get a two if we could get a 2-2. We don't got 4-3.
I'm not sure.
Go ahead, shoot. Ah! He got it. I'm trying to foul.
Come on. Come on, slip. Come on. Take it.
Oh, good block. Oh, I'm so slow. I can't get it. Stay there. Play D.
Take it. Nigga, you're up.
I'm there. We good. Okay. Oh my God, that's a tough shot. Fuck. That's a tough shot. You can't do nothing about it. Then, just look what happens right here. He hits him with the little speed boost. He's playing hands up D. You know you can't give it up deep to him. He's just been shooting crazy. That's a tough shot. Zen or not, like the movement to get to that shot and take it is tough. I don't know if he has a Zen or not. The people that I played him against before were saying that they did, but I don't know. You know how it is with this game. It's a toss-up. Either way, crazy comp game. Gave y'all some gems on how to play defense against these guys. Once I get a even more lockdown team to show y'all how it can really work and you can shut them down, you know, I got other gameplays too showing. So hit the like, man. That's just a tough shot.
For 13.
Bro, deadass, are you really plugged or are you playing legit?
No, God, I'm playing legit, bro. Come on.
Niggas is
Like, you
lucky
can
my
literally see I
first
missed
game on,
13.
bro.
I'm 6 of
I
13.
know, bro, but nobody be honest with the Zems, bro. I can't tell, bro.
No, I swear to God, nigga, if I had a 10, I wouldn't be going 6 for 13 on God. Nigga, all those shots I would have made, I was getting my dick sucked the whole time.
Alright. Whoa. What the hell? Oh, shit. What? What did he just say? I just peeped. He been said that too. I'm crazy.